Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll guide you through a quick and easy way to access the settings menu on WhatsApp Web using a newly introduced keyboard shortcut. If you're someone who uses WhatsApp Web frequently, this shortcut will save you time and streamline your experience. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. To do this, launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the official WhatsApp web page. Once there, log in by scanning the QR code with your mobile device. You'll now see your chats displayed on the screen. Now here's the exciting part, accessing the settings menu directly from your keyboard. Instead of clicking through menus, you can simply use a shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus comma on your keyboard. That's right, hold down the Control key, the Alt key, and then press the comma key. Instantly the settings menu will appear on your screen. This shortcut is part of WhatsApp Web's latest update, designed to enhance productivity and make navigation more efficient for users. Whether you need to adjust notification preferences, manage linked devices, or explore privacy settings, this shortcut takes you straight to the heart of WhatsApp's customization options. And that's it. You've successfully opened the settings menu using a keyboard shortcut. It's a small trick that can make a big difference in how you interact with WhatsApp Web. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with friends or colleagues who use WhatsApp Web regularly. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to improve your digital experience.